Hey friends, Hattie from Honeybee Stampers here. I'm hopping on for a quick Facebook Live and also upload this to YouTube, of course. I wanted to share with you guys about the paper pumpkin kit that's coming out. Today is the 10th of the month, and so on the 10th of every single month, Stampin' Up! Says that's the deadline for paper pumpkin subscriptions. So if you are somebody who is interested in getting that month's kit, you have to sign up by the 10th. So to get the January kit, today is the deadline to do that. Okay, so I'll leave a little link in my comments below, or my comment section, or my description if you're on YouTube, to take you directly to my paper pumpkin link so you can sign up if you're interested in that. I do plan to get some extra kits this month because January is typically always a Valentine or a love themed, and I love when they do that because it's perfect for giving out little Circes and gifts. And I'm also going to show you guys the add-on for the paper pumpkin kit that's available this month. And I just hopped online to check and see if it's still available, and it is. So it's these cute little heart boxes right here, and I'll show you how easy it is to put them together in just a second. But let me tell you about the kit that's coming out. So the January paper pumpkin kit is a heart-themed, love-themed. So it doesn't necessarily mean just Valentine's Day, but just love in general. And they designed it kind of with the inspiration of the little what are they called, the lock bridges, where you would go, like if you're ever in Paris. They have them a lot of places, but Paris is like one a place that really stands out, where you take a lock and you go to the bridge, and you and your loved one, maybe you inscribe something on the back of the lock, or you sign your names or something like that. You lock the lock onto the bridge, and then you throw away the key. And so that just signifies like everlasting love. It's super cute. I think they still do that. I know that I've seen tons of locks on bridges when I was there in the past, but I don't know if they stop people from throwing the keys away or not. Anyways, so that's what inspired this month's paper pumpkin kit. So the kit is going to include 9 cards, 3 each of 3 different designs. I did get a little sneak peek of it, and they have some cute like peekaboo kind of. There's one of the cards, you would pop out the front of it so that it's the shape of a keyhole, and you pop it out and you would decorate around it. But so really beautiful cards, full-size cards. And like I said, there's special love theme cards, and then it's a photopolymer stamp set that you're going to get with it. Photopolymer are the see-through stamp sets if you're new to Stampin' Up. You're also going to get 1 ink spot that's fresh freesia. And I actually don't think I have an ink spot that's fresh freesia because I collect them all. And so that's exciting to be able to get that. And then some unique padlock and key die cuts that you can mix and match and create something really heartfelt. So now I want to show you what the add-on kit is. So something new that Stampin' Up! Has been doing, and they've been doing it for a while now, but I'm just now getting caught up on Paper Pumpkin and getting to share it with everybody. But they'll always have an add-on kit available with that particular Paper Pumpkin that coordinates with it. So I'm really bummed because last month I showed you guys those really cute, well, I showed you this month, but it was last month's kit. I actually have a couple. So do you guys remember me showing you these cute little boxes right here that these are just a couple of them, but they would hold either candy, or you could even put a gift card in there, and there's a little card that's inside that you can sign. So they're really cute. Anyways, so they came out with a little add-on for this one, and there were these note cards right here and coordinating envelopes, and I got to see them. I wasn't tracking that they were available, and they sold out, which made me so sad because they're cute. And the cool thing is, in the paper pumpkin kits, they'll also include this piece of paper that kind of gives you an idea what the next month's kit is, and then gives you a QR code that you can grab some of these add-ons with. So I did miss these add-ons, which is a bummer, but this also gave you a little card tutorial that you could copy. It gives you all the instructions here that you can make this cute little happy birthday card. So Paper Pumpkin has become very robust. It is an all-inclusive kit that comes out each month. You can either subscribe month to month, or you can prepay, where you say, I just want 6 months. It makes a perfect gift. So if you're thinking about gifting something, you want something unique to give to somebody, you could gift them a Paper Pumpkin subscription, and then they would get to their door either a 1 month 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month subscription. And it could be from you, and it would be just a really sweet gift. But anyways, I've been collecting these for years, and I've like told myself that this is the year I'm going to sit down and start really putting them together in a timely manner. And honestly, every time I put them together, I think they're so cute. So when I first saw these kits, this kit, which was December's, I was like, it's okay. But once I started putting them together and playing with them, I love them. They're so cute. Look at that. Okay, so moving on. Now, the add-on kit for January's is called heart boxes. So you'll see them here, and you're actually going to get 10 heart-shaped boxes, and then you're also going to get some stickers that will allow you to decorate them. So I'm just going to put one together for you to show you how easy it is. They're about 1 inch. I would say 1 inch by 3 inches, and it opens up like this. So I don't remember if it's in the online store or where it is, but it shows like an example of some little candies that are in here. You could put jewelry in here. You could put a keychain. You could put anything, any little trinket or gift, or you could fill it with candy, of course. But just remember, it's just about 1 inch tall and then about 3 inches wide. So kind of be cognizant of that when you're thinking about what you want to put in there. But it comes with 10. And let me just kind of put one together for you guys really quickly. And then I've got a couple other things to share with you today before I hop off. So the kits are going to come, the little heart boxes are going to come flat like this, and they're all going to look exactly the same. And you have to kind of pay attention by turning it over. And you'll see, if I bring it up a little closer, you'll see it says bottom, right? And then under here, it says top. So then that'll just kind of give you an idea of which, how to pair them up. So all you're going to do is take a bone folder and burnish all of the creases that they've already put on there for you, all these little score lines. There we go. And this honestly probably is what took the longest because it was really easy to put together. And I kind of, again, I think that Paper Pumpkin is going to be my thing to do while I'm watching Netflix. Because it just goes by so fast and it's fun. So we're going to do this top one as well. They did talk about the add-ons being while supplies last, and I got on before I hopped on here and checked to see if these boxes were still available, because I only bought one kit of them, and I think I'm going to get another kit because these would be great to gift for my son's school. So I'm thinking I'm going to grab another. He's in preschool 3 days a week, and this would be a cute little gift to give. So I always thought I was going to be that mom that had all these cute little, hand-stamped gifts and stuff like that to give to all the kids, and the other moms were just going to be like, oh my gosh, how does she do it all? And guess what? Sterling started preschool in August. I am not that mom. There is another mom in the class that I feel is very crafty. And whenever there's a holiday or something or some special occasion. Okay, so let me just show you. I'm talking over this, but so all you do is you tuck in the 2 flaps here, and then you're going to take the adhesive off of that side, and then you fold it over like that. And then the adhesive is going to keep it all together. Okay, so it's going to make that little kind of like a box or a half box or a lip. So just like that. And then because of it being sized in a particular way, there's going to be a top and a bottom. So it just slides on really easily, just like that. Okay, so there's that. And then you're also going to get some little sticker sheets here that you can use to decorate the box. Now, I'm pretty sure that when I get my January Paper Pumpkin kit, so today's the deadline to get it. Tomorrow, they start advertising for February's kit. But I believe tomorrow they start processing everybody's orders and shipping them out. And I haven't been tracking exactly when I get my kits, but I want to say, if I had to guess, I would say I probably get that kit usually the second or the beginning of the 3rd week. I'll let you guys know for sure, so hang tight on that. But I get it definitely before the end of the month, and then I can work on it and put it together. Okay, so here are 2 sheets that came with, and actually there's more than just 2 sheets, but I grabbed these 2 that came with this add-on kit here. And I grabbed the Fresh Freesia ink pad because this is the color that is going to be coming out with the kit in January, so I thought I'd use it. And the photopolymer stamp set that's coming out with the January kit, I have a hunch that it's going to fit perfectly in these little spots right here. So let's open up this Fresh Freesia ink. And then I grabbed a stamp set that's a brand new stamp set called Country Bouquet. Since I don't have the paper pumpkin kit yet, I grabbed this one. It's kind of a love themed kit as well. So you've got like a happy Valentine's Day. Just wanted to say I love you. I love that we are friends. I use this sentiment right here for one of the cards that I am doing for this weekend's demo stamp and share. So if you're a demonstrator and you're interested in getting a sampling of 10 projects featuring product from the current mini catalog, this weekend is an event that I'm having here in Sumter, South Carolina, and you can also get the project kits to go. So make sure you look on my let's see here, my Facebook group. At the very top, the banner, there's like a link there that you can click on, or that you can learn more about it, or reach out to me. I'm going to be sending out in my email as well to register. So that's just kind of an FYI. Anyway, so I'm going to grab, I'm just going to grab I Love You because that's sweet. So here, another photopolymer stamp set. Let me try to locate. There it is. So I'm just going to pull this off of here. And then I always like to stick it on my table and then pick it up with my acrylic block. I'm going to ink this up. Sometimes when you first get a brand new, because I haven't stamped with this one yet, you get a brand new photopolymer stamp. It's got a little bit of film on it, and so it won't stamp exactly as you'd like it to. So what you could do is, I'll just use the back of this paper. I just kind of stamp and twist it and rub it a little bit to try to get that initial film off so that it can really hold the ink better. So there's that. Ink that up, and then I love that I can see right through it. I'm just going to stamp it right there. So there we go. And then we'll take this off, and I'm going to add some of these cute little hearts. Stick this back on here, and I think I love these hearts. I use this in the project for this weekend. They're just so cute. So we'll ink these up. And I'm just going to stamp it right there. Love it. So that's from Country Boutique. The great thing about this tag is it already has adhesive on it. Okay, so all I have to do is just kind of peel it off of here and place it right across the front. Like so. Okay, and then here are some keys. So this comes with the add-on kit, but I'm pretty sure that there's like padlock and gold keys that are coming with the kit as well. So it's going to actually make your projects coordinate. So when I make those cards, those love-themed cards, when I get them for my January paper pumpkin kit, I can actually gift the card and this cute little box that coordinates with it. And then I'm going to really look like I'm on top of things. So speaking of which, there's this other mom that's in the preschool, and she makes the cutest little things and sends them home. So Sterling always has a cute little thing from her. And so I got a chance to chat with her during his Christmas program. And she said that she subscribes to this, it's like a printable. And then it gives you ideas and you print the stuff off, and then you just go and gather the supplies. So cute, you guys. I mean, I just love it. So there's the little add-on. Today is the deadline to get that. I will share that link. I wanted to show you guys, if you're demonstrators and you want to participate or get the kit to go, I had a question as to what product was I going to be featuring this weekend. So I'll go through the stamp sets. Dainty Delight, we're going to do a project with that. We're going to use this two-tone Flora and Something Fancy. This is actually a stamp set or a bundle, 2 bundles that I presented at the Stampin' Up! On stage in Jacksonville. And so you guys are going to get a chance to make one of the projects that I shared on stage. So there's that. We've got the Sweet Citrus stamp set. And this is a cool one because it's got a hybrid embossing folder and die. So the die cuts and then it also embosses. So if you were to stamp this fruit here, it would actually be really realistic looking, as realistic as it can be, I guess, for paper. And it's really cute. So there's that. Legendary Ride. So nice masculine stamp set here. Fragrant Flowers. And this stamp set has designer series paper that we're going to be featuring or using this weekend that comes from the celebration offering. So there's that. And then we've got Sentimental Park and Petal Part. These are 2 bundles that are together in a suite of products. This is the product that we're actually going to be featuring at Stamp Camp in February. So registration hasn't opened up for that yet because I'm trying to finish up the final details of registration, but it will really soon, so make sure you grab your spot. But we're going to do a really cute card with this product right here. On the Ocean. So this is going to be a fun fold card that you guys are going to get a chance to create. Best Family Ever. So if you look in the catalog where you find Best Family Ever, there is some stencils. There are some stencils that we are actually going to use this weekend. Let me see if I can find it. Okay. So right down here on page 62, we're going to make a really cute card using this Loveliest Layers decorative masks. And you guys are going to use some brayers and make a really cute card. And we're going to use the Best Family Ever stamp set also with that. And then last but not least, Seaside Bay. So if you're a demo that's interested in that event, make sure you reach out to me. We are offering it to go as well. It's a mini demo stamp and share. And we do have a guest presenter. So my friend Zara Premji from Canada will be guest presenting for us. So, but it'll be virtual. She's not coming down from Canada. Oh, and then I forgot the Country Boutique that we used earlier. That's, of course, going to be in there. All right, so there's that. And if you are placing orders with me, here's the host code for January that you can get the free gifts with. And I'm trying to think if I'm missing anything. Oh, let me give you a little sneak peek. At the end of this month, we are doing a fun, it's called Kits and Cards. It's a brand new event that I'm going to be doing monthly here at the studio at Honeybee Stampers. Here's a little sneak peek of the cards that you're going to be making. They are stinking cute. I will hopefully find some time to put these together for you so you can see how easy it is to put together. But it's a fun event that I'm going to be hosting. So Kits and Cards, make sure you mark it on your calendar. It's going to be the last Saturday of the month at 4 p.m. I am also having my Sweet and Simple card class. So maybe you can make a whole day of it. Come to Sweet and Simple in the morning, go grab some lunch, come back and do the Kits and Cards event. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Tomorrow, I'm going to be hopping on to share with you some more inspiration as I've decided to try to go live on Wednesdays. I still don't have exactly the time set, so you'll just have to kind of make sure that you are liking, subscribing, all the things to make sure that you know when I go live. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.